Nakakompleto na sila.
Tawagin mo si Colleen, picture kayo, dali. Andun si Colleen. Congrats sa...
Thank you po.
Hello,
Hello po.
Eh, yung nagdibu. Siya yung nagdibu. Oo.
Hello.
Asan si Colleen? Nakita mo na?
Hindi po, hinahanap po namin eh.
Anong ginawa ni Colleen ba? Naghanap ng ribbon?
Inibon doon po.
Kaya nga. Di ba ano yan? Kasama yan sa ano?
Ayun siya.
Sige, sige. Hindi yan. Ano yan eh. May ganyan na garland yan eh. Meron yan kay atin. Pe, ano mga... Oo, dalawa yan. Ano ka? Bayad yan eh. Oh, bayad yan sa 3K. Ilagay mo sa likod ko, be. Basang-basa likod ko eh.
Ilagay ko?
Oo, ilagay mo.
Galit yun na ako.
Once again, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, students, parents, and friends. Welcome to the commencement exercise of Asian Institute of Computer Science, Ligawayan, and Taytay. After 30 years of dedicated service, AICS continues to stand solid to its goal to provide quality education to the Filipino youth and help build a society of learners ready to pursue higher learning, proficient workers, and experts. AICS has once again produced another promising batch of graduates this year, ready to set into action the knowledge, skills, and values they have learned, to become agents of hope and change for the country and for the world. This is Alvin Carino, Master of Ceremonies. May we request everybody to stand for the entrance of colors. Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Anthem, Mr. Michael Salisi will be conducted.
Marked by passion, integrity, and impact, and continues to inspire educators and learners alike. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a warm welcome to our distinguished guest speaker for this morning, Dr. Marlon S. Marquez.
A pleasant morning to the President of the Asian Institute of Computer Studies, Sir Anthony Assis, and of course to the Chairperson, Madam Teresita Assis, to all the Board of Directors, good morning, and to all the administrators, to all the school leaders, to all the amazing teachers, to all the proud parents here, and of course, the real stars of today, the graduates, Asian Institute of Computer Studies. Let me start with a story inspired by James Clear. He is an author of Atomic Habits. But let me tell in a way that hits a little closer to our home. There was this guy who wanted to level up in his life. Just like I think every one of us. Not just grow up on the outside, but really upgrade who he was. At first, he thought, kailangan din agad. Kailangan mo ipakita kung pinakamagaling. Like instant success, big wins, mga viral moments, ayan. Di ba marami tayong mga likes, marami tayong mga comments, and also heart likes. But you know, nothing was happening. So instead, he tried something different. He told himself, what if I just get 1% better every day? So he started small. Instead of scrolling endlessly, he read a few pages. Instead of quitting early, he posts a little longer. And instead of choosing comfort at all times, he chose discipline, even it was hard. At first, honestly, nothing changed. No instant glowing up. No dramatic success story. No main character moment. Just quiet, maybe boom progress, and that's the part of the most people some don't like. Because we live in a world where we want
Good morning, everyone. Are you ready? By the virtue of the power vested upon me by the Director of the Department of Education, I hereby confer you as graduates of the Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics strand, Information and Communications Technology strand, Accountancy, Business and Management strand, General Academic strand, and Humanities and Social Sciences strand. with all the rights, honors, and privileges pertaining thereunto. Congratulations, you are now full-fledged graduates of our senior high school program. Yuminamo Virtual Susunod. Again, let's give a big hand to our graduates.
Thank you very much, Mr. Aziz. Now, dear students, we finally reached the moment you have all been waiting for, to march up the stage and present your diplomas. We begin with the presentation of diplomas from the graduates of the Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics strands. Graduates, it is time for you to learn.